Hello, welcome. So in this video tutorial, I'll be showing you around the Canva platform. I will walk you through the Canva platform, but I want to let you understand that based on the phone you are using, your interface might vary, but it's still the same functionality, meaning that where you are seeing these templates, design, account may not really be the position it will be in your own phone, but wherever you find it, it's still the same functionality. So once you enter your Canva app, you can see at the top here the search bar. Here you can search for already pre-made templates. You can decide to search for Facebook post. You can either type it in full, or you check from the suggested list, maybe Facebook cover, and it will bring out already pre-made templates of Facebook covers that you can edit for your own work. So this is for the search bar. So in front here you have the search bar. At the top right you will see this crown with a line under it. The crown has to do with premium services. If you want to upgrade your Canva, you can upgrade it, but the free service is very much fine. So now here we are at the templates interface. It shows you different kinds of templates, different kinds of things that you can do with Canva. You can create animated social media with Canva. You can create Instagram posts, just as they are all here. Instagram posts, logo, invitation, photo, collage, video, Instagram story, and a whole lot of them. So you can choose from these pre-made samples and start editing, or you go to templates to see already made templates. You can also decide to click on see all to see all of the category, all of the templates or samples under a particular category, like this Instagram post. Now if I click on see all, I will see all the possible templates under this category. So now after this, you see your designs. Your designs has to do with the designs you have already designed on Canva. They are all saved here. You can go back to them and re-edit them. And after the design, you see your account. Your account has to do with your username, feedbacks, reward, team management. In case you have a team of people that work with you, that you work with or collaborate with, they can have access to the designs that you have already created and make use of them. So here you find your help, your logout, your deactivate user if you want to deactivate your account. So then in the front page or the home page, you see this plus sign. This plus sign has to do with creating a default design. You want to start from scratch. Now we are not using one of their pre-made samples, but instead you are starting from scratch. So you can choose the sizes you want to create, the size of whatever you want to create. You see their caption, blog banner, and the whole lot. Or you can decide to choose or give a default size here. You can decide to give a default size. If the image is in pixel, you can put it in pixel, in inches, or in cm, the dimension that you want. So this plus sign is for those who want to create designs from scratch. Then let's take a look at the tools that you have in creating designs from scratch. Now let's take, for example, I want to create this design from scratch. I will tap on it and automatically it will open. Now here you will see this plus sign, you see this page sign. This means that you can either add a page here. When you tap this page sign here with 1, it means that you can either add a page and it becomes 2, or you can duplicate a page, it becomes 3, or you can delete a page and it's still 1. So this is the default white background. Now above here you have the arrow key pointing left. That means if you want to go back, you have the other key pointing down. That this key talks about redo, and you have this other one pointing right down. For example, if I should change this color to ox blood, now I can tap on this other arrow and it's back to white. I can tap on this other arrow. So this arrow has to do with undo and undo, the arrow kind of rotating downwards. Then above here you have 3 squares. When you tap on these 3 squares, it tells you or asks you if you want to change the size of what you are already working on, if you want to resize it. Then here the one having people icon, and like an icon showing somebody, 2 individuals. The one after these 3 squares means if you tap on it, it tells you if you want to share your link or edit your link or invite somebody to see your design. Then this other one, this arrow pointing downwards with a dash under it, has to do with downloading into your phone. If you tap on it, it will process your image, preparing to download it to your phone. But I don't want, so I have to cancel. Oh, it has already downloaded. So that is that. Then the other arrow at the extreme right pointing up has to do with uploading. If you want to directly save your image to maybe your Facebook Messenger and Facebook app, email, Gmail, and other platforms that supports Canva, you can do that. So now this other arrow sign gives you the plus sign. The plus sign you find here gives you at the bottom right, gives you more functionality. When you tap on it, you will see the text functionality, image functionality, video functionality, sticker functionality, illustration, template, logos, and pages. So we'll just walk through one by one to see how it looks like. When you tap on the text functionality, you will see different texts that you can use for your work. So let me just select this dazzle. Now when I select this dazzle, it brings up other functionality. You can see I can decide to change the font. I can decide to change the font to this other one. The font has changed, as you can see, and I'll click on the good sign. I can decide to change the color and make it white. That is it. Then I can decide to make it italics. I can decide to space it and increase the letter spacing, the height. So that is what the text 2 does. Now when you still tap on this plus sign, you see the image. If you want to insert an image, you can decide to insert this image. Now when you insert an image, at the top side you will see resize. This is resize. The first icon you see there is resize. The second one here is duplicate. If you want to duplicate, the next one is delete. When you duplicate, you can use this to delete any selected item. Then when you select an item, you see a circle with 3 dots inside. When you tap on it, you see other tools, and the first 2 here has to do with transparency. You can make it transparent. The other 2 has to do with sending it backwards. Now it is behind the text. It is now behind the text, so the text is on it, and the other 2 has to do with sending it forward. Now it is on the text. Let me increase the transparency. Can you see it is on the text? When I tap on this other icon, it's now behind the text. So that is that for image 2. Now if you want to change the background image, you don't want to have a default color as the background. Once you tap on the background and this selection sign comes on it, you can decide to go to images. When you click on images, Canva gives you so many images uploaded on the platform. Now some of these images are free and some of them are paid. So when you use a paid one, they will let you know that it is paid, and you can decide to search an image like olive tree. Let me just search olive tree, and I click on search. Now the ones with crown means that they are paid, so I can't get it free, and if I should select it, there will be a Canva watermark on it, so I'm not selecting it. I would rather select the free ones that don't have crown. I can select this. So now if I want to upload an image from my gallery, I will simply click on my gallery and it will open my gallery, and I can select any image I want to. You see, so let me undo it. So that is that for the images. For the video, if you want to upload the video, you also do that. You also do that from your gallery. Then the next icon you see here is your sticker. When you tap on it, it will give you different kinds of emoji, different kinds of sticker. I once showed you something like this. Let's go back to one of my designs shortly. I once showed you something like this. This wow. Now I got it from the stickers. So this is our design that we are working on. So remember, I'm trying to walk you through the tools that Canva has. So when you click on it, on the sticker, you see different stickers, and you can decide to search for a sticker. Maybe love. Let's see if there will be any sticker under the category love. You can decide to search for any sticker. Okay, there is no category. Let's see. And or maybe my network is bad. It's still searching. I have a bad network. So but once you click on it, you can search for stickers. Then another thing you see here is illustration. Now under this illustration, you see subfolders. You see the shape, you see the illustration, you see the frame, you see the lines, you see icon. Our network is kind of bad. Let's hope it will resolve. Now when you tap on shape, it will show you different shapes. Okay, network is bad, so I'll be pausing this video and I will continue in another video. Thank you. Hoping that the network will come back. Thank you.